Okay, this is the third game and possible last game kapag hindi pa rin nakabawi ang Team Loyal. Okay, 2-0 para sa Team Paturatoy.
Already got him lined up in my sights.
Once again, ayaw talaga ibigay ang Granger. Ayaw talaga ibigay ang Granger. Sino kaya ibaba ni Pusi? Ang bastos ng pangalan, Pusi.
Your team is banished.
Okay, Teres lang. Ano ka? Teres lang, ano hotdog man dyan?
Your team, my legacy shall endure.
Oy, Zit yan. Binan na talaga. Wala na yatang hero si Jet. Pwede nang mamaway si Jidoy.
Your team is picking.
Medyo na-adjust talaga effect ang Zit yan. Uranus. Para... Uranus. Okay, Uranus ha.
Everything engulfed in flames.
Bumblebee para kang B, si ano?
Even the
Noel.
strongest of currents
Once
fail to
again,
claim
Bane,
me.
walang pagbabago. For the whole season, puro na lang Bane ako nakitaan, gigamit. Hoy, Sicilion, kukunin kaya? Parsa, Polgido.
Southern seas are my domain.
Good combination. Injury. Sino kaya pipiliin para ma-counter ang
Muscle of
Gatot
iron.
Kaka
Your team is banished.
para kay GGGG. Which is na upper hand kapag
My
Feather
tail's been
strike
itching for a
against
real
Parsa.
fight.
Oy, binan na ang Kalia. Never say die. Ibaban kaya? Sino? Ibaban kaya niya ang Suyo?
Ready?
Laila?
Go! Your team is picking.
Weird. Isandra.
I will reforge this
Polyamor.
world in
Your team is
hellfire.
picking.
Pusi para sa Never Say Die. Para kay sino ka pipiliin niya? Pusi, signature pick pa rin?
On the edge of the void.
Signature pick pa rin ba?
Sniper ready.
Yes.
Give me a target. Your team is picking.
At sino kaya pipiliin ni Linjury? Injury for Ixia. Ixia going for that?
Time and tide wait for
pumunta
no
siya
man
pang Beatrix.
nor girl.
Okay, this is the last para sa Team Paturatoy and kung makakabawi ang Team Loyal, pusit tayo sa game number 4. Secret Championship Game NMC Nabunturan Season 1 laban sa Team Paturatoy blue side, while red side naman ang Team Loyal.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy enemy reaches the battlefield, smash them! All troops deployed!
Babakbakan ka. Maingat na ngayon. Stay na. Sniper to sniper ang laban. Salde, kukunin si G. GGG. Kapag nakakalaga si GGG.
First blood.
kill. First blood. Para kay Pussy.
Red team hero has been slain.
Naipit. Nabasa yata ng Team Paturato yung moves na yun. First turtle. Oh, pwede airstrike para kay ano yun, nakatakas. Para lang naman i-hold. Ayun. Ano, kita niya?
Red team
Patay.
hero
Si
has been
Romeo.
slain. Hero
Pussy.
has been slain.
Solo kill. Ay, di ba yan? Tatlo pala yun.
Red team hero has been slain.
For the power shot.
Hero has been slain.
Aton, si Pasa.
Double kill.
Makakatakas pa.
Shut down.
Nakuha si Midori. Nagasiday, tumatakbo. Hinahabol ni Bumblebee pero nandun si Pussy. Para harangan. Sunod ha, pag-ilis ang pangalan ha. GG. Noel, napakaingat ni Noel. Nakakatakas? Nakakatakas ba? Nakakatakas ba? Grabe. Grabe yung healing ability ni Uranus. Pero na skill na ni Never Say Die. Ang Red Bat. Ni Cassandra.
Blue team has slain the turtle. Killing spree.
Say Die. Oh,
Team
grabe!
hero has been slain.
Para sa kill. Susulongin lahat. Ito naman. 3K gold lead ang Team Paturatoy.
Red team turret has been destroyed. Red team turret has been destroyed.
Napapatay si Wawex, nakatakas pa, flicker out. Pero maabutan pa yata. Oh, totally, kaisahan si Romeo. Na-overextended.
Red team hero has been slain.
Ito, nakatulungan si
Red
GGG.
team turret has been destroyed. Blue team has slain the turtle.
Totally. Okay.
Red team hero
Nice
has
strike,
been
nice
slain.
strike.
Blue team hero
Napatay si
has
Ado,
been
pero
slain.
bumabawi.
Down.
Nakuha naman ng Jidoy.
Red
Jidoy
team
dagan.
turret has been destroyed.
Okay. Napupush ba ang mid lane? It's alright.
Blue team turret has been destroyed.
Okay. Maingat lang ang laban. Oh, nakapagtulong na nata si Wawex. 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 Nakatakas pa rin. Grabe ang punta si Wawex ha. Sa lahat, wala ka na talagang kill.
Red team
Cyber
hero
Rice Strike,
has
Jidoy.
been slain. Blue team hero has been slain.
Susunod si Jidoy. Jidoy, patay. Susunod nata si Wawex. Pero makakatakbo si Wawex. Magaling tumakbo. Noel, napakagaling tumakbo ni Noel. At mababasag naman.
Turret has been destroyed.
Papasukin. Hop, dito mara.
Killing spree.
Pero naka-exchange si Wawex. Pusi. Hop, babala ko. Para ikat ang linya.
Blue team turret has been destroyed.
Our first Lord. Ito nagsasabi ko yung spike. Ang
Blue
sakit.
team hero has been
Ang
slain.
sakit talaga ng Uranus kapag abot sa live team. Red strike.
Team has slain.
Magiging unat ba? Pero hindi magiging unat. Napakakunat ng kalaban. Tabla na ang gold lead. Jura. AOG tumama. Nakuha si Jura at si Wawex. Patay. Jidoy. Lumalaban pa si Jidoy. Jidoy. Hindi niya nakuha si Uranus. Pero si Cassandra. Makakatakas pa naman. Pero pasulong na ang first Lord. Never say die.
Blue team turret has been destroyed.
Ito problema ng isa.
Red
Galing,
team hero
nakuha.
has been slain.
Pero, nakakabawi kaya.
Red team
Pusi,
hero has been
lumalaban. Nakuha si Injury. Hawa, nako. Cassandra. Cassandra, nakuha ni
Hero
Jidoy.
has been slain.
At that is a 4-2-1. Buhat.
Blue team turret has been destroyed.
second ang mission. Bumblebee na kumuha ng bebop. Masyadong malaki ang threat ni Romeo sa labang ito. Kapag umabot ng long game, magkakaroon ito ng makakahirap.
Red team turret has been destroyed.
One turret. Up, spotted. Spotted. Pero malakas talaga ang healing. AOG, kuha ang dalawa. Salde,
Hero
naipit.
has been
Kuha
slain.
ano. Bawex, taker out, pero hindi ata makakatakas si Cassandra. Bawex,
Blue
kumalaban
team
pero
hero
hindi
has
kaya.
been slain.
Grabe, ang pressure na binibigay ni Romeo.
Red team hero has been slain.
Never say die. Hindi pa rin
Hero has
tatakas.
been slain.
Our second Lord. Three goods na para sa Team Loyal.
Red team has slain the Lord.
Lamang na ng 1K gold lead ang Team Loyal. Okay, naubos na agad.
Blue team turret has been
Medyo
destroyed.
masakit na si Jura. Pero makukuha. AOG, tumama kay Jura. Nakatank ba? Hindi, nakatakas. Grabe.
Hero has been
Nahuli.
slain.
At si Salve. Mukhang nahuhuli pa si Judoy. Judoy overextended si Cassandra. At yun na nga, nakakuha ang
Red team hero has been slain.
Salve. Hinahabol
Red
talaga.
team base turret has
At
been
yun sinasabi
destroyed.
ko, yung
Red
jury,
team hero has been
napatay.
slain.
Pero nasa, pinupus na ang Torre. Hindi never say die.
Blue team hero has
Munti
been
ka na!
slain.
Grabe talaga yung pressure na binibigay. Pero, dahil din sa damage,
Red team
nakuha
hero
na rin
has
si
been
Romeo.
slain.
Bumblebee, na-overstanded, patay ni Pussy. Hop, Cassandra, naspat. Itutulak na ba ito ng Team Katuratoy? Itutulak na ba ito? Okay, pero airstrike para matras. Sumusog si Gigi. Pero nandyan sa likod si Jura. Jura Gigi napatay si Gigi. Okay, nako Cassandra. Patay si Pussy. Noel Wawex, patay Noel. Nako, mukhang delikado na ang Team Paturatoy. Ipupush na yata. Ipupush na. makukuha ata.
Base turret has been
Reposid
destroyed.
yata. Oh, pero merong ano. Minion. Namatay ang nag-iisang minion. Hindi pala tumama. Ayun. Nako. Minion waves, napakalayo pa. GG. Kinukuha pero walang minion waves. Ayun, meron na pero na-clear ka agad. Nakuha ng fatal. Patay si Bumblebee at si Injury. Naku. Oh, na-injury, nakuha na. Gong move talaga ang
Red team base turret has been
ito,
destroyed.
tumatakbo na si Makaso. Makaso, pinagtutulungan ng apat. Makaso, napakasakit talaga ng damage. Pero makakaligtas ba yata? Makakaligtas ba? 2 versus 5. Nako! Target lock, pino-close na. Pino-close na ang tower at nanalo ang team Paturatoy 3-0. Grabe. Woo! Nice game, nice game. Oh, kamayan.